Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's the BC348-Q radio. And I recently hooked up the pilot lights for this thing. And these are in series. The way they run this thing is these go in series and then they ground through this knob here. I did jump out the 64 ohm resistor. So anyway, what's my point? My point is I got some GE43 bulbs. These are 3-volt bulbs, and they probably had 6-volt bulbs in here. So this is what was in here, a GE51. I'm not sure how many volts a GE51 is, but anyway, it's quite nice now. So with this 3-volt bulb in series, 6 volts, turn this thing on, it's got some good lighting now. So happy with that. Some people that rework these and put in the power supply, they have to wire all the tubes in parallel, and I'm sure that's what happened to this one. I didn't put that power supply in, someone else did, but when I bought this radio from that person, it didn't look like the tubes were already wired, but I guess they are. Anyway, I just want to get these lights working because they were never working, so that's what I did, and put the cover back on here. This cover, yeah, I'm not sure what kind of plastic they had way back in the day, but anyway, with one hand, it never goes well. Well, anyway, how does it look? Let's turn it on. It looks a lot better, right? With lights in there all glowing. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.